Madam Vice Chairman, the health of the people is a very important thing, but I find it as the most neglected one in our country today. Full stop. The country is spending crores of rupees over some aspects of reconstruction, but the provision for the physical well-being of man and his good health continues to be very disappointing. Full stop. Madam, speaking on the 5-year plan the other day, our planning minister said in the other house that the position of raw material and other factors is such that there are some highly industrialized states, there are some so-called industrialized states, and there are some states like Kerala and Uttar Pradesh which are not at all industrialized, and he gave the reasons for that. Full stop. I find that in the matter of health, particularly medical education, the health ministry also follows some such thing. Full stop. There are states which have a number of medical colleges, there are states which have an ambulance of doctors, and there are states like Uttar Pradesh where the number of doctors compared to the population of 7 crores is very little, and medical education continues to be lacking. Full stop. The health ministry does not appear to be anxious about bringing a uniform arrangement of medical education throughout the country. Full stop. In the case of industries, there may be some justification, but all the citizens are equal in the eyes of the constitution, and they should be equal in the eyes of the health ministry also. Their health should be looked after equally. Full stop. The health of the people cannot be looked after equally as long as there is inadequate arrangement for medical education in some states, while there are more than the number of qualified doctors required in other states. Full stop.